Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to share this very easy floral polka dot nail art design inspired by Robin Moses. This is a very simple nail art design and can be done on really short nails also. For this, first apply a base coat on your nails and then apply a flesh tint polish or any other light color polish that you have. After applying the polish, let it dry off completely. After that, I took black polish and a thin brush and I made a triangle towards one side as shown. You can do this step using black acrylic color, and it is easier to work with acrylic colors. It does not get dried out too soon. But I decided to do it with nail polish, so it's looking a little bit gloopy, but after top coating it will look fine. Once this is dried, what you need to do is make a 5 to 6 petal flower, and here I am using white acrylic color. You can also use nail polish for this design. And once the flower is done, I used the same white acrylic color and gave the border of the triangle some tiny white dots. Then I used some black acrylic color. You can also use black polish, and I made even tinier dots all around on the remaining space. And once you are happy with the polka dots that you have created, all you need to do is wait for it to dry off completely and then finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. And I also decided to add a rhinestone as the center of the flower. You can simply give it a white dot also, or any other color yellow dot also if you want. And this ends the first design. I did the same design on my ring finger, but I made the triangle towards the other side, as you can see, and I also added a rhinestone as the center of the flower. On my middle finger and the little finger, I used black nail polish and I applied 2 coats of this black polish, and once it dried off, I used the white acrylic color and I gave some polka dots using the nail art brush itself. You can use a dotting tool if you want. And I simply added some polka dots over this black polish. Once all the polka dots are done, you can clean up any mess using nail polish remover and a cleanup brush. And the final step, as usual, would be to wait for the design to dry off completely and then apply a layer of glossy top coat. And this very easy black and white polka dot nail art design is also done. On my thumb, I applied the same flesh tint polish and I colored half of the nail diagonally with the black polish. And using the white acrylic color, I made 3 petals of white on the black part. And I used black acrylic color on the skin colored part to give it a few more petals. And in this way, I finished off this flower. And on the remaining part, over the flesh tint, I added a few black colored polka dots, really tiny ones, and once the design dries off, finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. And I also added a rhinestone as the center of this flower. So this brings us to the end of this very easy floral polka dot nail art tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.